A very good morning to all of you. We have finished 5 chapters already. What are they? Nouns, pronouns, adjective, sentence, and number. Now we have already finished a number of worksheets as well, and we have gone through several revision classes. Now the time comes so that we can take revision test on our own. Here I have prepared 2 revision test papers based on the chapters we finished already. You have to check these questions and you have to answer on your own. After answering all the questions, you will go to the worksheet section where you will get the answers. It will be a request to all of you not to check the answers beforehand, because this is revision test. After going through this test, you will be able to judge yourself how much you are already prepared for the examination. So please be very loyal to these tests. These are designed especially for you so that you will be able to rock your examination, right? So I think you will be obedient to my orders. First you will check these materials. You will get this in the study material section, and then after answering all the questions you will go to worksheet, and then you will start checking your answers, and then you will find out how much you have scored and how much you need to study more, right students? So here this question papers are. So just quickly go through the instructions, then you will get this. First you download this materials from the study material section, and then you just go through the instructions. The first is what? This revision test contains 20 marks, right? Identify which of the following are common nouns, which are proper nouns. Write P, capital P for proper noun and capital C for a common noun in the blanks provided. Now I will ask all of you to please copy the question in your copy, okay, so that afterwards you will have a track. So please copy the question first and then write either P or C in the given blanks. Okay, so here 15 questions are given. Then comes another one, that is tick the uncountable nouns among the following. So you will only tick the uncountable nouns. So here you cannot tick on the question paper since you will be downloading that. If you will not get it printed, then you can write uncountable and then make a column, and in that column you will write the uncountable nouns. Okay, here how many questions are given? 10. Next is C. Divide the nouns into concrete and abstract and write them in the corresponding columns. So as you can see, the nouns are given. You have to divide this according to their type in between 2 columns. Okay, so you will draw 2 columns. First one is the column of concrete nouns and the second one is the column of abstract nouns. And now you will divide this nouns which will go for the type. You will just categorize that. Okay, so here every question will contain half mark. So the total it contains 40 questions and the full mark, that is 20. Okay, so this is your revision test number 1. Let us proceed to revision test number 2. What is revision test number 2? As you can see on the screen, that is, it contains 15 marks. Identify what type each of the following sentence is. So declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. Write your answers in the blanks. So all of you have completed the chapter the sentences, and I have already discussed the chapters twice or thrice, so no doubt should be there. If you have any doubt, then also I'll tell you to go through the chapter well, read the chapter, the previous worksheets that I have solved and I have discussed in the class. You please check those, so that if you have any doubt that can get cleared, then you come and start solving this test paper. Here certain blanks are given, so no need to copy the question. If you copy the question, it will be helpful, since you are not getting this printed one, you are just downloading. So it will be very helpful if you just copy the question, and then in a given blank beside each question you will be writing the answers. So here, as you can see, 8 questions are given, and you have to identify which type of statement or question or sentences these are, right? Now, number B, rewrite the following statements in the form of specified in the brackets. So, as you can see, certain questions are given, certain sentences are written, and beside each sentence you will get an instruction. So, you have to convert this statement according to the instruction. So, certain sentences are given, you will be just changing those according to the given order. Here 7 questions are given. So, this this revision test paper ends here. It will contain 15 marks. Now, 2 question papers are given. Start solving that. I hope you will be able to solve all the answers correctly. After solving that, you will just go to worksheet section and find out the answers. Then you will tally, and finally you will be able to find out how much you are ready to rock your examination. Right, students? So, we will meet in the next class. All the best for your examination, and we will be discussing the composition in our next class. Right? So, till then, take care of yourself. Do study well. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.